Comrades, in 80 years, our great party has demonstrated the unqualified belief in the capacity of our countrymen and women to excel and to achieve. Our great party has been tireless in its dedication of service and community building. It is a PNP that possesses a burning passion for the education and creative expression of our people as pathways to liberation. Connected as we are in the grassroots of our society and with inspired leadership, our great party has always shown remarkable courage. We have stood firm, we have stayed focused, and we remain always hopeful in the quest to build a better Jamaica. Comrades, our work is not yet done. The mission is not yet accomplished. You know that the struggle is hard. The sacrifices are many, but we must remain steadfast in ensuring those sacrifices are not in vain and the gains made are never reversed or taken away. Jamaica is better off today because of the leadership of the People's National Party and the tremendous sacrifices made by you, the people, to rescue the country from total collapse. As we build the new Jamaica and empower people to take their productive places in a brighter Jamaica, I urge you, comrades, not to be daunted by some of what you see going on in the country, because I can see the day coming, and it is not far away, when our party will once again be returned to power, back where the people want us to be. The responsibility of government is a very serious thing. It is not something to cast away to selfishness, greed, or exercise by those who mean the people no good. I can still recall the beating we took for the tough decisions we had to make to steer this country from the precipice. And comrades, believe me, we were literally at the edge of the cliff. Today, many are boasting and beating their chests as though they did not inherit a solid foundation built by the many hardships and sacrifices of the Jamaican people. But as I said earlier, without love, there can be no forgiveness. And without forgiveness, there can be no peace. And without peace, there is no joy. Progress and development do not happen overnight. That is why, after 80 years, it is still the People's National Party that is the party of choice for progress of the Jamaican people. It is our great party that has been at the forefront in the vision for our people, and the party that the Jamaican people look to for direction and for leadership. After 80 years, we are still the party of hope, encouragement, and progress for the Jamaican people. So I say to you, comrades, let us proceed with boldness and not with worry and doubt for the future. For we have been there before, and with strength, conviction, and purpose, we will overcome. Peter, My brother and our comrade leader, I like PJ, I am just one phone call away if you need for me to do anything for this noble movement. And I can say to you all, if I need for something to be done, I am going to call on my leader to get it done. Whenever you call, whether to go east, west, north, or south, I am here, just one phone call away. One love at 80. One call away. God bless this great party. God bless Jamaica, land we love. Love you, love.